How to enable TikTok clear mode while scrolling. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Simply scroll through the video you want. And after you find the video you want to see, what you can do is simply hold on to the video. And it will pop up this kind of screen. Here, click on Clear Display at the bottom. After you click on Clear Display at the bottom, and there will be nothing on the sides, you can also play it in this way. And if you scroll sadly, it will go. So you can repeat the process by clicking on Clear Display again. And this is how to enable TikTok clear mode while scrolling. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.